You probably followed me here to the quick tips part 2 on the data privacy series. Anyways, let's get straight to the point. In the previous video, I spoke about the fact that you could add a recovery key to help you preserve your data or keep your phone secure. However, if the thief gets to your phone and does know your passcode, he is still capable of changing the recovery key. Now, you might wonder why this was a feature, right? But this was just a preventive measure from Apple. The following is a simple illustration from Wall Street Journal explained to make you understand how to take measures in protecting your data. Go to Settings, Screen Time, and use Screen Time passcode. But this time, use a different passcode from that of your phones. Now go to the Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restriction, then turn on this switch. Scroll down to the Allow Changes section and select Don't Allow. Now, the thief won't be able to enter this area to change keys or phone numbers given the fact that screen time passcode is different from your lock screen passcode. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.